How many trees are there in the USA? The exact number of trees in the USA is difficult to determine with complete accuracy, as it is constantly changing due to factors such as growth, harvest, and natural disasters. However, according to the United States Forest Service, there are an estimated 3.04 trillion trees in the USA, as of 2021. This estimate is based on data collected from the Forest Inventory and Analysis Program, which uses field measurements and satellite imagery to estimate forest cover and tree density. It's important to note that this number is an estimate and could change due to various factors such as deforestation, reforestation, wildfires, and other natural and human-made events.